A little bit of oil. And a little bit of butter. And pretty much right in the oven. Just like that. The other way, like I was telling you on the first video, as you can tell, this is a cast iron pan and it's very hot. And when cooking anything in a pan, you always want to put it away from you when laying it down. Put just a little bit of oil in here, not too much, not too little. See it right here, just a little bit. This is not to be fried chicken. This is pan seared. Got it on a medium to high flame. And over here, as you can see, this is the chicken, the body of it, the bones, and I also put the necks and the gizzards that come inside the Cornish hen in here also. And I'm going to reduce this by more than half. And this is just a little bit of garlic, the body of the chicken, which actually is edible now. You can actually eat this. This meat falling off the bone. But anyway. So this smells good. It's seasoned well, as you can see. I can tell by the sound that it's doing good. I can also tell by the smell that it's going to be amazing. And you can tell a lot by the smell, because you know how stuff smells when it's burning, and we're not getting that right here. But I'm getting a little bit of color, and I'm liking that, because that's what we're looking for, so I'm enjoying that. See right here, you get this little around the edge, you can tell. So that's nice. That's what we're looking for. We want to get color, but we don't want to burn it. And this is how we do it in a restaurant. But you see my flame. Get some color. I'm not even going to touch it as far as flipping it or anything yet. I'm going to trust the process. It's been going for a few minutes, maybe 3-4 minutes. So now I'm going to add just some butter to it. And people may ask, why do you add the butter last? I add the butter last because butter doesn't have a high burn content. So butter burns very fast. Oil can withstand a decent amount of heat. Had I start this off in butter and cook this in butter, by this time it would be burnt. It would be not even worth it. Now let's take a look. What do we got here? Look at that. Look at that. And it smells amazing. I could have probably poured it a little earlier. Oh no, we're good. False alarm. Nah, we're fine. And right where we are now is where I take it and finish it right off in the oven. Oven's at 380 with the other half of the Cornish hen in there cooking, and that's the old school way that, like, somebody who don't really want to get too technical to do it for the sake of safe, just easy. Now I'm going to turn this up to 450. And this is still reducing the body of the chicken and the chicken neck and gizzards that come inside the Cornish hen. A little bit of garlic cloves. Still had a bit of ways to go. And let's turn the oven light on. Well, we gotta open the door. You can't really see it that good. The one up top, restaurant style. The one how normal people cook it. And that's gonna take forever. At a restaurant, I don't got time for that. Look at that. That's beautiful up top. Okay, it's been about 10, 12 minutes. Let's see what it's doing here. She's looking good.